evening. Welcome to Radio Bharti. Let's begin with the top news updates of the day. The headlines. Trade deal opens up new phase in India-USA bilateral ties with vast possibilities for relationship. EAM Dr. S. J. Shankar. India states that ensuring energy for security for 1.4 billion Indians is supreme priority of the government. US and Russia exit New START treaty, triggering fears over global nuclear stability. UN Secretary General praises India for leading AI Summit ahead of 2026 India AI Impact Summit. Domestic markets ends in positive territory for third consecutive session. Plastic India 2016 kicks off in New Delhi with over 2,000 global exhibitors. Under 19 Cricket World Cup, India enter final beating Afghanistan by 7 wickets. Under 19 ODI World Cup, India to face England in final after dominant win over Afghanistan. Now news in brief. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar today said that the historic India-US trade deal is in the final stage of detailing that will be completed very soon. In a social media post, Dr. S. Jaishankar termed his visit to the US as a productive and positive term. India today stated that ensuring the energy security of 1.4 billion Indians is the supreme priority of the government. Briefing media in New Delhi this afternoon, External Affairs Minister spokesperson Randhir Jaiswal said that the deferring the country's energy sourcing in keeping the objective market condition with evolving international dynamics is at the core of the government strategy to ensure this. He said all India's actions are taken and will be taken with this in the mind. The United States and Russia are no longer bound by the new Strategic Arm Reduction Treaty, which expired today, raising global security concerns. The pact signed in 2010 and extended to 2026 limited deployed nuclear warheads and strategic delivery systems. The treaty entered into force on February 5, 2011 with an original validity period of 10 years and was later extended to February 5, 2026. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres has praised India for taking a leadership role in addressing the challenges of artificial intelligence ahead of India AI Impact Summit 2026 to be held in New Delhi from February 16 to 20. He said he was delighted to participate and called AI an absolute crucial issue in international relations and one of the biggest challenges of all the time. He lauded India for convening the summit and bringing together governments, civil society, and the private sector. Benchmark domestic equity indices, the Sensex and the Nifty, extended gains for the third consecutive sessions today. The market opened lower but quickly recovered to trade in positive territory. Thereafter, the indices oscillated between gains and losses for some time, weighed down by IT stocks before edging higher in the last hour of trade. The Sensex added 79 points to close at 83,818, while the Nifty rose 48 points to settle at 25,776. Plastic India 2026, one of the world's premier plastic exhibition, will commence in New Delhi today. The Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers said that during the event, over 2,000 international exhibitors will showcase cutting-edge innovation in machinery, raw materials, and crucial economic solutions. It said that the event will highlight India's strength in men, material, machine, and markets, while revolving around the strategic pillars of trade, technology, talent, and tourism. The ministry further said that the first time Plastic India is emphasized as a zero waste exhibition. In cricket, India entered the finals of the Under 19 ODI World Cup, defeating Afghanistan by 7 wickets in the second semi-final match at Harare in Zimbabwe today. India achieved the target of 311 runs in 41.1 overs with the loss of 3 wickets. Among men in blue, Aaron George scored 115 runs off 104 balls, while Vaibhav Suryavanshi struck 68 of 33 deliveries and skipper Ayush Mhatre added a valuable 62 runs of 59 balls. In cricket, India will lock horns with England in the summit clash of Under 19 ODI Cricket World Cup on Friday. India entered the finals, defeating Afghanistan by 7 wickets in the second semi-final match at the Harare in Zimbabwe yesterday. India achieved the target of 311 runs in 41.1 over with the loss of 3 wickets. Among men in blue, Aaron George scored 115 runs of 104 balls, while Vaibhav Suryavanshi struck 68 of 33 deliveries and skipper Ayush Mhatre added a valuable 62 runs of 59 balls. For Afghanistan, Nuristani Omrazi took 2 wickets while Walidullah Jadran got 1 wicket. That's all for the day. For such more updates, stay tuned to Radio Bharti. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.